Hello again, everybody. Today we're working on a 2019 Nissan 370Z. Bought this for my wife about a year ago. I replaced the speakers in it, upgraded the tweeters in the front, upgraded the door speakers to 6x9s, had to do a little modification on that to get them in there. But basically, for her, she doesn't seem to mind it as much as me, but when I'm driving the car, the tweeters are way too loud. They're way overpowering. By the time you turn it up loud enough with the 6x9s to kick in with some bass, basically you've got way too much tweeter. So in this video, it's good for a couple different things. Mainly it's just to show you how to get to the tweeters and replace them. So if you got a blown tweeter in your car, this is how you would get to them. If you want to upgrade it, modify it, amplify it, whatever. But basically this video is going to just show you how to get to the tweeters. Me personally, I'm just going to disconnect my tweeters and put the covers back on and run it with 6x9s. Now to remove the tweeter, this cover is just popped on with a couple tabs. You need a body tool. Make sure you get a plastic one or a nylon one, that way you don't scratch your body pieces all up. You just want to kind of force this down in here and pry up. There's two tabs, one here and one about right here. So once you get the front one, pop it over. Now when you lift up, don't pull all the way up. Get it up to where the tabs aren't connected and then pull back towards you. Two little clips at the back that slide in and down. And there's my tweeter. All to get there, all there is to removing the tweeter is to remove the two bolts. They're 8mm from the factory. I believe the factory ones had 3 in it, maybe 4. The aftermarket one I had just had 2, so it's only got 2 in it right now. So I'm going to remove those. There's one out. Sorry, there's not really anywhere to mount a camera in here, and I'm not really a GoPro on the head kind of guy yet. Maybe one day, but I'm not there yet. Okay, and once those are out, the tweeter will just lift up out of the hole. Now this is a 2 3/4 inch tweeter in this car. The factory wiring, they don't leave you very much. So if you want, what I would suggest is probably making an extension to add onto this. I personally, since I was just putting these tweeters in for the first time, I did not do that. Now your coloring is blue is your hot and blue-white is your ground. Replace the cover. Basically the 2 tabs on the back, of course, line up inside there. Make sure you line your 2 tabs. It should just drop into place. You push down gently and it locks into place, and that's it. If it goes any harder than what I just did, you've probably got something in wrong. Pull it back out, check your tabs, line it up, and do it again. So if you're just replacing your OEM tweeters, this job should take anywhere from 10 minutes to an hour. The hardest part, again, is that factory harness is only that long. So depending on how good you are with your fingers and your hands, when I first cut this, I actually stood outside the car, looked down through the windshield while I was doing the wiring. Again, that's a 2019 370Z. Like I said, I pulled my tweeters out from the factory because I'd replaced them, didn't like them. But if you're just trying to get to the tweeters, it's kind of difficult if you've never done it before to figure out how to even get those covers off. Once you figure it out, you should be good to go. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please click the like and subscribe buttons.